In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade pip to the latest version on Ubuntu. Pip is the package manager for Python. Keeping it updated helps you avoid errors and get the newest features. First, open your terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time to open it. Now, we need to check if pip is already installed. Type this command, pip version. If pip is installed, this will show the current version. If you see an error instead, you may need to install pip first. To upgrade pip, we'll use Python's module system. Type this command, python 3 mpip install upgrade pip. This tells Python to use pip to install a newer version of pip itself. The upgrade flag makes sure it replaces the old version. If you see a permission error, it means your system is blocking the upgrade. To fix that, run the same command with sudo in front of it. Sudo python 3 mpip install upgrade pip. It will ask you for your password. Type it and press enter. This should complete the upgrade. Now let's check if the upgrade worked. Type pip version. You should now see the latest version number. That's it. Pip is now up to date on your Ubuntu system. Thanks for watching.